In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change camera in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the main menu and settings area. Next, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see the three-dot menu icon there. Click on that icon to open the browser menu. From the list of options, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can manage privacy, permissions, and other browser preferences. Once you are in Settings, move to the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles permissions for websites, including access to your camera and microphone. After that, click Site Settings. Here, Chrome shows the different permissions websites can request while you browse. You may need to scroll a little to find the next option. If you have a built-in webcam, an external USB camera, or any virtual camera software installed, you may see more than one option listed here. Under Default Behavior, find the Default Camera drop-down menu. Click the menu, then choose the camera you want Chrome to use. As soon as you select it, Chrome will save that choice automatically. If a website was already open and trying to use your camera, it may help to refresh the page so the new camera setting is applied correctly. This is especially helpful for video conferencing sites or browser-based recording tools. That covers everything you need to know.